Welcome back to Fonsalina's TV. Today we're gonna be doing a seafood boil. I've been craving seafood for so long, but everything's closed because of Corona. Let's get started.
1, 2, 3, yeah. You is a lie, you is not come from these sides, you cannot come to this side, yeah. Gangsta but matching too tight, yeah. I see my eyes through the sights, the bitch wants to tell her good night, all right on my eyes like rice, stack up and get right out of sight, and you ain't up in my price, 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 money my bank account, this shit precise.
These are the ingredients for the seafood boil. Okay, for the seafood boil you'll need a pot to boil your seafood in. You'll need red potatoes, you need an onion, a lemon, you need paprika, Cajun seasoning, chili powder, lemon, pepper, seasoning, salt, garlic, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, oregano. Seasoning salt was optional, so you really don't need that, and you need vinegar. Only the real Africans know what the Maggi cube is. And then you need 4 sticks of butter. Don't forget your gloves, guys. We have raw shrimps and snow crab legs. We took it out, well, I took it out to defrost it. So here's my pot. And I'm about to put my snow crab legs in here to boil it. Now that we've filled our bowl up halfway with water, we're gonna season the crab now so it can have seasoning here. So I'm gonna put seasoned salt. Then I'm gonna put garlic powder. Now we're gonna put black pepper, some lemon pepper, this is the right color. So now we have our shrimp. It's still kind of frozen, so we gotta rinse it off. We're about to season it. Gonna put Cajun seasoning on it. You gotta mix it till the seasoning on all the shrimp. So we about to put the shrimps. This joint is hard. As you can see, I needed my sister's help. It's like, So now we're gonna cut the onions. We're gonna like this.
Wait.
Like. So I cut the lemon in half, and I'm gonna squeeze some into the sauce. Okay, so the potatoes are done, and the shrimp, and the crab, and the sauce. It's all finished with the assistance of my sister's help. So now, we're about to be ghetto and use Ziplocs. And now we coming for the crab leg. Y'all want to taste?
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to shake it up. Ta-da!
Did you bust the bag? You bust the bag? You bust the bag.
Hey man,
That will
this is
show
my
you
first
to not
try.
play in the kitchen. The kitchen is not a playground.
The thing busted it.
Right, because of the way you were shaking
He
it.
told me to shake it more. As you can see, my sister took over.
Bring the other bag, something.
I busted the first bag. I was playing in the kitchen. Don't play in the kitchen.
But don't shake it like how Fanta shook it, because then she breaks to the bag.
Don't do it hard.
Yeah, don't do it hard.
It was an accident. This is the final product. We made 4 bags. So now we're about to do a little mini mukbang. We have some sauce and the lemons right there. And we have the rest of the sauce in here. And we're gonna do a sister tag / mukbang.
Mmm.
Can we get the skin?
No, it's bomb.
Can we get the skin?
Oh.
It's bomb. It's a rockin' bomb, y'all.
No, seriously, this is really good.
Extra.
Hello, extra.
So we got our
What?
potatoes in here. Oh my god.
The potatoes are actually really good.
Mmm.
Did you try the potato?
This is my first thing I tried.
Hurry.
Bomb.
Let me try the potatoes. Let me get down and dirty.
Mmm. Yeah, I'm gonna say something.
This is good. Eat the skin, it's healthy.
Oh. Hope I don't mess with my Fashion Nova jeans.
Okay, where's the... Okay. First question.
Who is the youngest / oldest among you all?
I am the youngest.
What's your name? Introduce yourself to the camera, to the world. Fontalina TV.
My name is Suzanne Monta.
AKA Musu.
And I'm the oldest. My name is Farron.
I'm the second oldest. She's a third. I'm Yabone.
Y'all,
She's the middle.
I'm the second to
look
last.
at the king. Frickin' rad.
What annoys you most about your sisters? She's too loud. That's it. She don't really annoy me.
Her.
But
She
I love her.
fights me
She's so
too much.
sweet.
This one.
Oh, Purry. Look at my crate.
What annoys me? Musu, I feel like Musu doesn't really know what's the right timing to ask good questions sometimes. Like, she'll come, like, while you're in the toilet and be like, Sakura, can you help me do my homework? And it's like, girl, I'm in the shower right now. Like, I literally have soap on my eyeballs, and you want to ask me to help you with your homework when you have 2 other sisters to ask for? Fanta, she always likes to act like she's grown. And then Yabon, she's very into her phone. That's probably the thing that annoys me the most about her.
Oh, we have to say everything? Every single sister?
Sankuba. I'm not cutting this right.
To be honest, I don't know.
What do you all have in common? We're all loud.
We're all funny.
Yeah, basically loud.
Who takes the longest to get ready in the morning?
Yabon.
Yeah, Bo.
Yabon. She has to do her hair every 10 seconds.
How do you think this seafood broil would have turned out if I wasn't here?
I feel like
Be honest.
it would have came out too salty, probably, most likely. Too salty.
This juice.
Probably would have woken you up or gotten you. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Look
These
at juice.
potatoes
Look at
are
juice.
fire.
Look at juice. Look at juice. Mommy's crab.
Tastes good, yummy.
Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe,